welcome to Simple Made Pretty. I'm Melanie, and today I am sharing my top 22 most loved home products from this year. These are Amazon and Walmart finds that genuinely make our home more organized, more stylish, and so much easier to live in. Some of these items were sponsored or gifted, but I only share products that we use every day in our home and love. If you're looking to make some easy, affordable updates to your home and get organized this year, keep watching. I've got some great finds that you are not going to want to miss. And some of these are great ideas for the holidays coming up as well if you're looking for a gift for that special someone. Let's get started.
Create, organize, style. You're watching Simple Made Pretty.
First one on my list are these drawer dividers. Amazon sticker. And this is something that everyone should have. Drawer separators, the dividers, and these extend. Huge box of them right here. Finally gonna get organized in our closet. Everyone uses these in their dresser drawers in our house. They instantly transform chaos into calm and help every family member find what they need. I also want to mention these clear drawer organizers. I use them all over my house as well. In our kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, vanity, and more. Next up, these under the bed storage bins. They're slim enough to fit under a platform bed. Everyone in our house uses these for a variety of items, including seasonal storage and toys. Next up is this closet belt organizer. The first one is this tie and belt hanger organizer. I need one of these so bad. This is a tiny upgrade that keeps belts, accessories, and small items neatly stored, great for maximizing vertical space. These over-the-door hook extenders. This next one, it looks a little confusing. I'll have to put it together to figure it out, but it hooks on the back of a door or over the door, and it basically extends so that it can be either a hanger or a drying rack. This is one of those finds you didn't know you needed it until you have it. It's a perfect solution for renters. They add instant storage for towels, robes, jacket, backpacks, or guest items. Next up are the linen curtains that I have in every single room in our house. These are my favorite natural linen curtains from Amazon. I use them in our family room, craft room, and home gym. They instantly make each space look lighter and more finished. They work with clips or tabs, and mine hit the perfect length without hemming. These are my #1 Amazon find for a home refresh. Next up, this is our most used pan in our house. Okay, she's here. Our place pan just came in, and I can't even tell you how excited I am to open this. If you've been around a while, you know that we use this pan 3 to 4 times a day. Eggs in the morning, grilled cheese at lunch, and pancakes on the weekend, you name it. Look how gorgeous she is. We've got a steamer basket, a spatula, the pan itself. The spatula actually fits perfectly on the pan. This one's going straight into the rotation. If you've been thinking about getting one, why wait? This is your sign. All right, I'm off to make something delicious. I'll link this for you. Next are our clear pantry bins. One of my biggest pantry improvements, clear bins make it easy to see snacks, drinks, and baking supplies. They also help maintain structure during busy seasons. Next is my coffee bar corner. My morning routine, coffee starts here. The K-cup organizer keeps everything tidy, and the mug hooks gives the whole space a cozy, intentional cafe feel. My afternoon reset moment, it involves the stainless steel pour over, the French press, and an electric kettle. So these are all my go-to supplies to make the best coffee at home. And one of my favorite rituals, keep yourself organized with this entire setup. I'll link everything for you. Next, this was one of our family Christmas gifts last year, our Alexa Echo Show. It's basically our kitchen command center. It helps us with timers, recipes, plays music for us, security views. We use it consistently. If you have one, ask it to play Simple Made Pretty's latest YouTube video, and you can watch me from your Alexa show. Next are these affordable aesthetic bar stools. They're comfortable, durable, neutral, and they elevated our entire kitchen without the high-end price tag. I'm about to unbox my new bar stools. That's it. I just timed myself and it only took 20 minutes to put 2 of these together. Now let's go set them up in my kitchen. My next favorite find is this console table, one of the most versatile pieces of furniture. It instantly updated our space that needed a quick transformation, perfect for entryways, behind the sofa styling, or holiday decor. I have to give a shout out to our Zinus beds because they are honestly some of the best purchases we've made for our home. We have them in both my son's room and our primary bedroom, and we love them. The platform beds are super easy to assemble. We put both of ours together in under an hour. They're sturdy, minimal, and perfect if you want a clean look without a bulky headboard. And the mattresses, they are so comfortable. They're supportive. They're not too firm. They're not too soft. They are just right. My son sleeps amazing on his, and we added the Zinus topper to ours, which makes it feel like a luxury bed. They're affordable, they last, and I would absolutely buy them again. If you're looking to upgrade a kid's room or your primary bedroom on a budget, Zinus is the way to go. Next are these smart electrical plugs. This is the best hack for lighting holiday decorations and hard to reach lamps. I use ours outside under a covered area and it's protected from the elements.
Alexa, turn the outside lights on. Alexa, turn the outside lights off.
Next is our Lockly Smart Lock, one of our absolute favorite smart home upgrades this year. We installed it on our main door and we have one on our back door as well. And honestly, I don't know how we live without it. It's a keyless entry system with a built-in keypad and a fingerprint reader, so everyone in the family can get in. No keys, no hiding a spare key under a mat, no "Mom, I forgot my house key" moment. It's one of those upgrades that instantly makes your home feel safer, more modern, and way more convenient. Next, we added these motorized blinds, a luxurious upgrade that doesn't feel expensive. I used to have to tug at my curtains until we installed these. Alexa, open the blinds. I absolutely love having these in my craft room and my home office combo and in our bedrooms to wake us up in the morning while adding privacy at night. They integrate seamlessly with Alexa, so we can adjust them hands-free, which is a huge help in the mornings and during filming. Whether it's waking up to natural light or creating a cozy evening atmosphere, these blinds add a surprisingly affordable touch of luxury to our home. Next, this arched mirror, it enlarges any room, it reflects beautiful natural light, and it blends with every decor style. I have to mention this faux olive tree. I love the look of it. The colors go with everything. It's timeless, neutral, it's maintenance-free statement piece, and it works in every room. Next, hands down, the best rug I bought. I have this in every single room in my home. It hides spills, pet hair, and everyday wear, and it looks gorgeous in every room. The neutral colors, it's pet friendly, and like I said, it comes in several different sizes. I have this in our entryway, our living room, family room, my craft room, and my bedroom. I can't believe I put this in every room, but it is seriously that gorgeous. I know a lot of you probably already have one of these in your home, but I wanted to talk about the robot vacuum. Not just any robot vacuum, the Roomba vacuum. We've been using our Roomba for about 5 years. I can't believe how long it has lasted. And with 2 dogs, we definitely need that cleanup in our house. And so the one I just showed you, I purchased for our mother-in-law. Hopefully she doesn't watch my videos. I don't know about you, but if you take vacuuming off of my to-do list, it's one less thing that I have to worry about. So we use the Roomba at least 3 to 5 times a day. It goes off on a little schedule, and then we'll vacuum and mop the house once a week. And it helps to keep our floors spick and span. Lastly, I had to share this stretchy sofa cover. It's a budget-friendly way to refresh the sofa without replacing it. Washable, sleek, and surprisingly high quality. Got an unboxing. these Mamma Mia furniture covers for my sofa. Oh, it looks so pretty. So I got the premium sofa cover in a velvet, and this is like a cream color. You can see the texture on it. We're gonna go try it out on my sofa. It fits our couch perfectly. The material is so stretchy. It was on in seconds. I tucked it into place. This was the perfect finishing touch to our Christmas room. Perfect for pets, kids, and Christmas decor. And that wraps up my top 22 home finds. All the links are below. If you want to check out anything, make sure you're following me on the LTK app, because I do share a lot of my links, posts of our home. If you're looking for something in particular, I've also got lots of blog posts as well as links on simplemadepretty.com. And stay tuned, because I've got a special laundry room reveal coming up very soon. You're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment your favorite home find of this year.